Why settle for scraps of attention when you could demand the whole meal? That's the real question, isn't it? You see, life's too short to be someone's afterthought, hanging in the background, waiting for your turn like a forgotten extra. No, that's not the role you're meant to play. You're not here to be an option when everything else is exhausted. You're here to be the priority, the one who commands attention the moment you step into the room. Being the priority starts with knowing your own worth. If you don't value yourself, why would anyone else? You can't keep bending over backwards for people who only notice you when it's convenient for them. Stop waiting for permission to take up space. You have to set the terms, make it clear that you're not here to be someone's backup plan. They're if I have time person. It's about boundaries. If someone keeps treating you like an afterthought, maybe it's time you stop showing up for them altogether. Let them feel what life is like without you in it. Sometimes stepping away is the only way to show them what they're really missing. It's not about revenge, it's about respect. If they don't prioritize you, why should you keep prioritizing them? But here's the kicker: being the priority isn't about making demands. It's about making choices. It's about choosing yourself every single time. When you focus on your own growth, when you invest in yourself, people take notice. They start to realize that you're not waiting around for anyone's validation. You've already given it to yourself. And let's be real, when you act like the priority, people start treating you like one. It's not magic, it's energy. The way you carry yourself, the standards you set, all of it tells the world how you expect to be treated. And if someone can't meet those standards, you move on. Simple as that. So why wait for someone to remember you when you can make them regret ever overlooking you? If you're tired of being an afterthought, make yourself the priority. The rest will fall in line. And hey, if you felt that, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep shaking things up.